attack card. Showdown. But first, I gotta touch my iPad. What I do this year? What did I do this year? Wait a second. Okay, done. But anyways, I'm gonna show you my what's the tornado attack. Lower down. Security call. You know the search. Oh. Yep, but sorry. Sorry, but I forgot to disable collision. So, lower down, no. These are the cameras. So what I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Sorry guys, but I have to save this first. Okay. So here's the movie. I'm gonna not show you the movie, but it will come out soon. Oops. Well, it's gonna be come out in 1 minute. That's so early. So lower down. Cue the car. Can it survive a giant tornado? Look at this tornado, so strong. Yeah. Super I do. Super I do. Yeah, choo. Da. Lower down without scare the car. It's gonna be under. See, I told you. But when it's like it accidentally deleted. But when it's secure the car, it's gonna survive. So bye guys.